關
Pass. Checkpoint. Custom house. Mechanism. Barrier. Shut. Close. Turn off.
關 關的近義詞是 閉 關的反義詞是 開 關的意思是指在交通要道或邊境設立的檢查站，用於查驗證件、物品或徵稅。
It refers to a checkpoint established on major transportation routes or at borders for the purpose of inspecting documents or goods, or for collecting taxes.
旅客必須在邊境順利通過海關，方可入境。旅客必須在邊境順利通過海關，方可入境。旅客必須在邊境順利通過海關，方可入境。
Travelers must successfully pass through border control to enter the country.
出了這道關口，我們就到達鄰國。出了這道關口，我們就到達鄰國。出了這道關口，我們就到達鄰國。
Once we pass through this checkpoint, we will reach the neighboring country.
關的意思是比喻重要時期，例如難關、年關。
It serves as a metaphor for a critical period. Examples: a difficult hurdle, a critical year-end juncture.
一旦克服了這個難關，此後一切都會進展順利。一旦克服了這個難關，此後一切都會進展順利。一旦克服了這個難關，此後一切都會進展順利。
Once this hurdle is overcome, everything will proceed smoothly.
在這個年關之前，所有的債務必須還清。在這個年關之前，所有的債務必須還清。在這個年關之前，所有的債務必須還清。
All debts must be paid off before the end of the year.
關的意思是指電子遊戲、考試或任務所劃分的各個等級或階段。
It refers to the various levels or stages into which a video game, exam, or task is divided.
我過了這一關，我就贏了。我過了這一關，我就贏了。我過了這一關，我就贏了。
If I get past this hurdle, I win.
這是我考試的最後一關。這是我考試的最後一關。這是我考試的最後一關。
This is the final stage of my exam.
關是一個姓氏。
It is a surname.
他姓關，名叫小強。他姓關，名叫小強。他姓關，名叫小強。
His surname is Guan, and his given name is Xiaoqiang.
關先生，你好。關先生，你好。關先生，你好。
Hello, Mr. Guan.
關的意思是把開着的東西合攏。
It means to close something that is open.
請隨手把門關上。請隨手把門關上。請隨手把門關上。
Please close the door behind you.
外面大風大雨，他趕緊把窗戶關上。外面大風大雨，他趕緊把窗戶關上。 外面大風大雨，他趕緊把窗戶關上。
It was windy and rainy outside, so she hurriedly closed the window.
關的意思是拘留、監禁，放在裡面不讓出來。
It means to detain or imprison, to keep something inside and not let it out.
把獅子關在籠子裡。把獅子關在籠子裡。把獅子關在籠子裡。
Lock the lion in the cage.
囚犯被定罪後，將被關在監獄裡。囚犯被定罪後，將被關在監獄裡。囚犯被定罪後，將被關在監獄裡。
After being convicted, the prisoner will be confined in prison.
關的意思是指永久或暫時停止業務運營。
It means to cease business operations, either permanently or temporarily.
由於生意越來越差，他只好把旅店關了。由於生意越來越差，他只好把旅店關了。由於生意越來越差，他只好把旅店關了。
As business went from bad to worse, she had no choice but to close the inn.
大多數的商店在晚上10點就關了。大多數的商店在晚上10點就關了。大多數的商店在晚上10點就關了。
Most shops close at 10 p.m.
關的意思是停止正在運轉的機械、電氣設備等。
It means to stop machinery, electrical equipment, etc., that is currently running.
使用洗手間後，請關燈。使用洗手間後，請關燈。使用洗手間後，請關燈。
Please turn off the lights after using the restroom.
睡覺前記得把電視關了。睡覺前記得把電視關了。睡覺前記得把電視關了。
Remember to turn off the TV before going to bed.
關的意思是牽涉及到其他的事情或人。
It means to involve or relate to other matters or people.
這不關你的事，你最好別插手。這不關你的事，你最好別插手。這不關你的事，你最好別插手。
This is none of your business. You'd better not interfere.
這件事將交由有關人員處理。這件事將交由有關人員處理。這件事將交由有關人員處理。
This matter will be handled by the relevant personnel.
謝謝觀看。